Weston Tower, this is Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie. We're on the ramp, request start 2 on board, but we're heading to Abbeyshrule for a few hours.
Hola amigo, Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie, Roger, tallies approved, QNH 1023, copy Abbeyshrule.
Start approved 1023, Echo Tango Foxtrot Charlie. Echo Tango Foxtrot, you just passed minute.
Let's get bigger. Charlie, doubling info available on 118.5, clear control space, closing flight plan, climb 04, to see you later.
Thank you, we're over to Dublin and we'll keep clear of control, Echo Tango Foxtrot Charlie. So, over to Dublin, 1185, isn't it? Oh,
okay, the info final 25.
The right one.
Yeah.
And I think it's 122.6. And Dublin information, this is Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie.
Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie, hello to you, QNH 1023 hectopascals.
1023, we're Cessna 172, we've just passed the toll bridge. We're routing from Weston to Abbeyshrule. We'll be landing in Abbeyshrule for about an hour and a half with you for information only.
Echo India Tango Foxtrot, it's understood, drone navigation to the west, maintain VF4 and clear control airspace. Runway 28 segregated operations at Dublin and parachuting activity in Clonbelogue this time.
Okay, we copy all the information and we'll remain clear of control airspace. Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie, thank you.
Dublin,
registration.
Echo Yankee Jules, just for the benefit of the outbound traffic.
But there's a huge...
We're tracking into West. We'll be tracking 2,000 feet south of the motorway. Echo Yankee Julia.
Go south of them. Wait a second, go...
It's going to be south of the motorway.
Yeah, well you can go over there.
North.
We'll stay at 1500. And Tango Fox Charlie will remain at 1500. Paul is so good. That call was for me and you, nobody else, you know.
Ah.
Contact 121 Ryder 60715.
And Dublin information is Echo Tango Charlie. We're just approaching the boundary. Can we stay with you all the way to Abbeyshrule?
Echo Tango Charlie, affirm you can stay on this frequency and QNH still 1023. Just advise eventually when leaving and contacting Abbeyshrule.
We're on 1023 and we'll let you know when we're transferring to Abbeyshrule. Thank you, Echo Tango Fox Charlie. That's perfect for us.
Cool. All circuits left hand at 800 feet.
Okay.
So, safe join at 1500 and circuits at 800.
Brilliant, I got down to 15.
Tango Foxtrot Charlie, this is Hotel Yankee, currently left downwind, runway 28.
Alright, we're inbound to the field. We've got about 6 miles to go. Would you like us to do an overhead join and then follow you in? Because you'll probably have touched down and gone around by the time we get there.
Hotel Yankee, yeah, if that suits yourselves. There's only myself in the circuit. We're working on runway 28. So whatever suits yourselves, guys.
Yeah, okay, we'll stay a bit high and then when we make eye contact with you, we'll drop down behind you and we come in for 28. Tango Foxtrot Charlie.
Foxtrot Charlie, yeah, that's perfect. 100%, I'll keep an eye out.
Good man, we'll give you a shout when we get closer.
Long.
Yeah, I'm just going to kick
turn.
right to see if I can see your man.
Oh, okay.
Because he has to be under.
I see him. No,
Do you?
he's... Yeah, it looks like it's...
Oh, we got
see him over
yeah.
the forest there.
And Tango Fox Charlie is visual with the landing aircraft. Yeah, good man. He's a good lad. So, 300 feet.
So this is the beauty of the overhead. We can see everybody who's in it. There's nobody in the circuit, so...
Echo India Tango Foxtrot Charlie is just entering the overhead on the dead side 28 at 1,500.
Okay, let's get that power back. 10 flap.
Echo Fox Charlie is descending dead side 28 to join left hand 28.
That's perfect, that's exactly what I wanted.
And Hotel Yankee is now clear of runway 28, now on taxiway Alpha.
Copy.
Oh, copy.
We're now just crossing the threshold of 10 and joining left hand downwind for 700 feet.
We have you in sight, Uniform Fox, we come in behind you.
Thanks very much, Echo Foxtrot Charlie.
Abbeyshrule traffic, Echo India Bravo Charlie Kilo, Cessna 172. Estimate overhead the field at about 40, and we're going to join overhead into the dead side for
they're all coming.
28 full stop.
This is going to hold at 70 knots here, 600 feet, do my turn, hit 20 flap for land. Just giving myself enough time. There's a building here, there it is there, that's the one to turn at. Uniform Fox turning downwind 28.
Echo Foxtrot Charlie on finals for 2-8, short final.
Sorry, yeah, that was
Hey, now.
dreadful.
Okay.